So what should I charge?
Price is so subjective, but you need to start somewhere. What I always tell Wordy Mamas is you shouldn't charge by word or per hour. Those are just not great ways to charge because it tends to punish people who are really good by meaning that they get less money for actually producing a result with fewer words. So what I recommend is breaking down how many hours a week you want to work, how much you want to make every week or every month, and then breaking that down to an hourly rate, but not charging an hourly rate. Thinking about how long will it take me to write an email? How long will it take me to write a funnel page? Set an hour chunk of how long that will take. Apply that to the hourly rate you've calculated of what you want to make. That becomes your per project rate. So you're charging per project based on how much time you think it will take you. That's your starting point. That's for new beginning writers. As your results improve, as you land better and better clients, you will raise your rates from that point.